Alright, we've got 5 minutes.
Let's set a 5-minute timer. Okay, we're on timers. Boom.
I'm gonna do a bun.
Ding, ding,
No,
ding.
your hair is a much needed wash, but we do not have that time. Let's cry about it.
Ouch.
I'm sorry.
No,
Water.
first we need to do this.
Okay. First, water. I would usually detangle the hair, but we ain't got that time, so let's just get water everywhere.
Let's just do a... Oh.
Look at this stream. You can't even see the stream. Sorry.
That was so cheeky of you.
I know, I'm so cheeky, aren't I?
I think I am more cheeky.
I definitely think you are more cheeky. I think you are the cheekiest. Let's try and detangle that.
Ow!
I know.
Midnight abandoned summer.
Give me a colour. We're gonna try this one with you today. Do you wanna smell it? Oh!
Don't put any on my face.
Alright. Rubbing it all in.
Mommy.
Alright, and then I'm gonna put a bit of gel. Where is the gel? Where is the gel? Here it is.
No, can you use
That one, that's for really strong hold. You don't really need strong hold.
Aww.
You want a little bit of strong hold? Alright, sure. You can just request. Make a request.
Can I have some strong hold, please?
Sure, you can have some strong hold. To be fair, you are going climbing, so you don't need your hair to stay in place. Ooh, that is sticky. This brush, yeah.
That's
Look at that.
your favorite
Yeah, it gets
brush.
everything nice and slick. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
You're just holding my hair tight.
Is it okay though? Is it comfortable?
Not that comfortable.
Not that comfortable.
No.
Is this better? A bit looser like this?
Just a little bit looser. I don't mean that loose.
To be honest,
I
I know I
mean-
said donut, but I think it's looking really nice with it all up in a ponytail.
Yeah, but I really want a donut.
I really want a donut.
Excuse me. Who said you're allowed to do my hair?
I don't know. Who said? Ah!
You will get a ticket
A ticket.
that says fine.
Alright, donut on. Okay. Let's spray the top. Now let's not put oil in there, my love. Let's leave it up here. How are you feeling for climbing today?
I'm feeling excited.
Yeah, you're super brave. I think you can do anything that you put your mind to be honest. Let's close the water. Can we close the water, please?
Yeah.
I don't want water wasting, okay? We've got to think about all the ocean animals.
Pardon?
Alright. Bun secured. And then now...
Mommy,
Sorry.
a little bit blurry.
They didn't they? Get a bit more gel on the edges.
monster.
Okay, we've kind of gone over time. But I think...
Is it past 5
It
minutes?
is about 5 minutes, but you look gorgeous as always. Should we put a little band? But stay here for a bit.
Yeah.
Instead of a band, I'm going to put a bow.
Can you put it like on my bun?
On your bun? What do you mean on your bun? Like here?
Like at the front.
Like that?
Like that.
Okay, sure. Like that?
Yeah.
Lovely. Let's go climbing.
Say cheese.